Hey guys, Vic from Airvol here, your trusted Canadian CPAP supplier. And in today's video, we're going to unbox your new DreamStation 2 APAP by Philips Respironics. So if you order a Philips DreamStation 2 from us, you'll receive it in a box just like this with a sticker showing your serial number. When you open the box, inside, the machine will be pre-packed in its travel bag. The travel bag does have a shoulder strap, making it easy to carry. And there's just one zippered compartment that opens up, and inside is everything that you need to start your therapy. There is a little illustration card showing you how to remove your water canister and fill up the water canister of your heated humidifier. Okay. On the top is your DreamStation 2 device itself. Okay. You do get a standard 15mm tubing with your DreamStation 2. Now, if you preferred using a heated tubing, there is the heated tubing available separately, which we carry as well. If you had a DreamStation 1 from before, the heated hose is actually identical on the two machines. Okay, so that's your standard tubing. And then of course you do get your power adapter as well. It has a built-in transformer. It will adjust the voltage accordingly for when you travel. Okay. Now, if you did submit a prescription to us when you ordered this device, we would have programmed it according to the prescription. So the machine would essentially be plug and play ready to use. You would just connect your power cord, fill up your water. The humidifier for this device is just located on the side of the machine. It slides right out. And there's a lid that snaps off that you could fill the water in, and an indicated line to show you how much to fill the water to. So you get all of that together with the DreamStation 2. Now, of course, masks are always sold separately. You do not need to use a Philips mask with the Philips machine. You can use any mask that you prefer using. So if you have like a Fisher & Paykel mask or a Resmed mask from before that you were already comfortable with, you can continue therapy with that kind of interface with this machine as well. Of course, Philips does have a host of their own masks as well that are excellent quality and great for the device too. And you can check all of those items out on our website, airvol.ca. We hope you enjoyed this video. You can hit the like and subscribe button and comment below for any future recommendations. Thank you and stay tuned for next time.